What we're going to do is going to look at how we tell the time in English, because I know that you can all tell the time in Spanish. So I just want you to understand the differences and the words that we use. So let's first look at the key words. They are o'clock, past, to, half, and quarter. So let's look at how we tell the time. And we're just going to work through from 10 o'clock until 11 o'clock. So on this clock you can see I have 10 o'clock and here's the time, 10:00. So how is that in English? Well, we say the hour, which is 10, and when the minute hand is here we say o'clock. So this is 10 o'clock. Now 5 minutes after that, when we go to here, 10:05, hour hand here, minute hand here, and we call this 5 past 10. The minute hand is here, so we're 5 minutes past 10. 5 minutes past 10 is the same as saying 10:05. Then if we look at 5 minutes after that, we have 10 in the hours and 10 in the minutes. 10:10. If we say that though, what we say is we say 10 past 10. We've got 10 minutes past 10 o'clock. 10 minutes past 10 o'clock. Now 15 minutes after that, we have 10:15. 10:15. Now you might think we would then say 15 past 10. We don't. We call this quarter past 10. We call it quarter past 10 because we are a quarter of the way around the clock, so it's a quarter past 10 o'clock. 5 minutes after that, we have 10:20. 10:20, the hour is 10, the minute is 20, and we call this 20 past 10. 20 past 10 because we have 20 minutes past 10 o'clock. The pattern carries on again when we have 10:25, 10:25, the minutes go first again, and we have 25 past 10. 25 minutes past 10 o'clock. Next, 5 minutes after, we'll have 10:30. But we don't, like you might think, say 30 past 10. We say half past 10. And if you look at the clock, it's because we are half the way around that clock. Now this is where it changes, because now we're not closer to 10 o'clock. Now we are closer to it being 11 o'clock. So now, when it says 10:35, we actually say, well, in 25 minutes, it's going to be 11, because 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes to 11. So we say 25 to 11. If we look at the next one, we have 10:40. But again, we're closer to 11 o'clock. So we call this 20 minutes to 11 o'clock. Now here we have 10:45. So in 15 minutes it's going to be 11 o'clock. But we don't say that. We say quarter to 11 because we're a quarter of the way to 11 o'clock. We've got a quarter of the way to get there. Next, we look at 10:50. 10:50, in 10 minutes it's going to be 11 o'clock, so we call it 10 to 11. Next one, 10:55. Well, in 5 minutes it will be 11 o'clock, so we say 5 to 11. And then finally, we get all the way back round. 11, at this we say 11 o'clock. Now that's just simply the words that we use in English to tell the time. And we're going to practice doing that this week.